To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos. Does this music ring any bells? Any guesses? According to NASA, this is the sound of a supernova, the dying gasp of a star. We don't often think of supernovae and sound in the same breath. However, we know of spectacular images thanks to telescopes such as Chandra X-ray Observatory, Hubble Space Telescope, and Spitzer Space Telescope. These telescopes can see what the human eyes cannot. Light in X-rays, ultraviolet, near-infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Human eyes, on the other hand, can only perceive the visible light. But why can't we hear a supernova? To know that, we need to understand how sound travels through the air. Picture yourself standing next to a loudspeaker. The air particles near the instrument vibrates. These particles then collide with other particles in the air, causing them to vibrate as well. This process continues until they reach your eardrum. In space, however, the story is a tad different. Sound waves can travel through the vacuum of space thanks to interstellar gas and dust. But these particles are so far apart that sound waves would take longer to travel. As a result, we cannot hear them. But could we listen to them if we were to convert visual data to an audio file? This question popped into the minds of 3 astrophysicists and musicians working on a project, System Sounds. Teaming up with NASA, the trio recreated the final scream of supernova 1987A by relying on telescopes such as the Hubble and Chandra. They converted the visual data, brightness and position into pitch and volume. For instance, they played louder notes for brighter lights. The experiment did not end with supernova 1987 alone. The team converted the visual data of a supernova remnant known as the Crab Nebula and a cluster of galaxy called Bullet Cluster.